I just see high grade sensing. When me walking on my brain. I was born in the Kingston 11 vicinity, Cockburn Pen to be exact, in which I moved to Portland, in the 80s, and go school in St. Thomas, fell in love with music from a tender age, about age 14 around here, playing sound system like the Soul Sonic, then from Soul Sonic to the Turbocharge. So, I've been in the music industry for over some good amount of years, maybe like 30-some years. Right now, me feel like we go live out something. Must be ready, be ready. Go find the ganja cafe. The artist name now, say Castell. Me I say, I'm big on my father, Paulie Castell, because him come with the name Castell and Cash, which is going to be my label. I'm also go by Father Rock, because I'm the owner of a Big Rock sound system, in which I operate. I'm a big fan of music, the culture, great dub place, and big up every artist, every entertainer in the business who contribute to Big Rock sound system. Me I say, music is in my bloodstream. In my DNA from a tender age, I say, I just have a love for the music. So I'm going to decide to take it to another level right now. You know what I'm saying? Just doing some good, conscious culture music. Yeah, man, it's all about Castell, brand new artist on the scene. You know what I say? Check out my brand new music video. Sweet Sweet Marijuana. You understand? I just see sweet, sweet marijuana. Marijuana on the corner. I mean, no one, no drama. The inspiration for this song comes about, I'm a guy who like to be in the hills. I like nature. I love natural stuff. I'm dealing with a lot of herbs, meaning like bush tea. I'm early down to west. As they say, it's the best. St. Thomas, Portland, St. Elizabeth. I'm really deep into the herbal life. I drink a lot of roots. I'm not really a big fan of alcohol. I have a drink now and then, occasionally, when I feel like, but I just come with the concept of sweet, sweet marijuana, because I love the herbs. Yeah, that's how I was inspired, to come up with this song titled Sweet, Sweet Marijuana. I just see sweet, sweet marijuana. Castell and Cash, the label name. But also I collaborate with House of Pain Records. They're the one who responsible for the beats. Yeah, House of Pain right out there in Jamaica, Clarendon, Sandy Bay to be exact. Big up House of Pain Records, who made this beat for me. And I'm willing to work with any other producer or labels. Babylon legalize 2 ounces of it. Right now me want buy 10 pound of it. I'm not much of like the hardcore dancehall DJ type of style, but more of a swing J, which I bring out good vibes, good cultural music, good love songs, and thus we a wide range of people out there who love good conscious music. Me I say big up to every dancehall artist, every DJ. But right now, my thing will be a little bit different, a little twist to it, as me I say. So my music is like more on a positive side, me I say. I'm feeling high, it take me to a natural high. So me not tell no lie, sense me that me want higher. Other than music, me love to be in the kitchen. Also, great baker too. Me not fit drink no NSC. Me not fi sip no champagne. I just see high grade sense. I'm a great father as well. Big up my daughter Ria in London. And big up my daughter Reggae in Florida right now. Also, my big daughter in England, she does have a son. So I'm a grandfather officially. Big up Makai, my grandson. Yeah, also big up the first lady, Janet, aka Jamaica Barbie. I say my biggest supporter right now, my biggest fans. Biggest motivator right now, who encourage me. I'm feeling high, it take me to a natural high. So me not tell no lie, after this single, you can look out for, we have 2 more singles to release. You understand? One called Oh Girl and one named Life Never Easy. You know, that one is a tribute to my mother. R.I.P. to my mother, passed and gone. My name is Delphi, big up yourself. You know, so right now I'm currently gonna work on my EP. I got a few singles to drop after this one. And then let's take it from there, man. I just this sweet, sweet marijuana. I hit me God on the corner.
A special shout out to our New York team. We appreciate you. Make sure you visit our website at www.thereleaseja.com. We are going to a quick break. We will be right back.